Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're gonna exchange or replace the light bulb on a 2007 Lexus RX350, and this might help you with other years and perhaps other models. And this is the light bulb. It's a DS2, and on this video we're gonna change the driver's side, which is this side, and it's not hard to do. Here in the back you have access to this part right here, and the only plug that you're gonna take off is this one, and perhaps we can see better this way. Push this in and then the entire thing comes out like that. So push this in and pull the entire thing out. Now that that part is out, the next thing is to twist this counterclockwise. So this way, and it doesn't have to turn much. It only has to be unlocked, and then once you unlock it, then you can pull this off. So it's easier just to push this away to give you enough space to change the light bulb, which is down here, right there, underneath this plug. So with that plug, all you have to do is twist it also counterclockwise and unplug it, and there is the plug. And you can see the video on how I did it on the other side. On this next part, you can see the pin on one side. You can probably see it better on the other video. There are two pins, one on each side, that you have to unhook, and I'll put an arrow of where you need to unhook it. And once you unhook both sides by grabbing both of them and basically just squeeze them, take them out of its place, and then lay it down, and that releases the light bulb. I think there's a better shot on how those two pins are holding the light bulb. I can see one clearly more than the other, but there are two pins, and I'll put an arrow on it, and this is how it's unhooked on this side. And then you have to do the opposite side too, and then you can just grab the light bulb and pull it out. Here both of them are out. Here are the two light bulbs. The one on the right is the new one, the one on the left is the old one, and it does turn on, but from time to time it turns off. So I changed the one on the left, and now it's been on all the time. So now I'm changing the one on the right. So now all we have to do is put the new one back, and the way to do so, this hole, it has two of them. The one that's kind of square, this one, goes on the very top facing up. So I'm going to turn it this way, and it's going in the hole all the way in, and push it all the way through. And if it's not 100% in there, just twist it to the left or to the right until it goes in all the way. And make sure you do not touch the glass on the bulb, because the oil on our hands does not help the life of the bulb. So just touch it from here, do not touch it from the glass or anywhere that's not this plastic here. This one I can touch because this is garbage, but not the new one. And once you have the light bulb all the way in, then you're gonna go ahead and make sure that those pins that we took off earlier, they're in holding the light bulb again. And now we can go ahead and plug it in. So plug it in and then twist to lock, and then put this cover back the same way you took it out. So now make sure that this cap is fine in there. Press it all the way in or forward, and then twist until it locks, and then put this plug back in, and then go ahead and turn it on, and you're done. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.